Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll show you how to use Pixel 8 Pro Thermometer. So the first thing you need to do, if you go to Google Play and search for Pixel Thermometer, because you need to install that app, and if you search Pixel Thermometer, then you're going to see a match and you need to install this thermometer on your phone if you do not have that already installed. So once you have it installed, you can just open that app. So for example, I put a shortcut on my desktop, so I'll just click here. And then now you can see that it's giving you, it's telling you that you can measure object temperature, and if you just click here, then it's going to give you a few options. So there's one is default, and then if you click on default, then you're going to see that it's going to give you a few options. For example, food and organic, cast iron or plastic, metal, or there are a few options. So you can choose either any one of them which is which matches the most, or you can just keep it default. So for this video I'll just keep it at default, and then if you just hit the tap to measure, then it's going to give you the temperature. Now one thing is you have to get very close to the sensor, which is right here. So you have to bring everything very close to this right here. So for example, I'm just very close to this object. I'll just hit measure temperature, and you can see that it's giving 26.5 Celsius. And if you want to get the reading in Fahrenheit, then all you have to do is just click here, and then you can see that it's changing to Fahrenheit right away. So I'll just switch back to Celsius. So that's how you can measure any temperature. And for the next Pixel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.